Konnichiwa Mina San. Hello everyone, her sensei this side. So today I'm going to teach you about how to write and pronounce Ra, Ri, Ru, Re and Ro in Katakana. So let's get started with the video. So for Ra, you have to draw a sleeping line and then again a sleeping line in a parallel direction followed by a diagonal. This becomes Ra. For Re, you have to draw a standing line with a curve and then a bigger standing line with a curve. This becomes Re. For Ru, you have to draw a standing line and then a parallel standing line followed by a curve. This becomes Ru. For Re, you just have to draw English alphabet V. And for Ro, it's just a simple square like this. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys have understood what I have taught you today, and you can also visit the links down below in the description box if you want to practice more. You can check out the website and the application that I have created. And until next time, bye.